Okay, student, welcome to today's English class. Today, our topic will be the uses of dictionaries. We must know the uses of dictionaries. First up, we will see how many types of dictionaries are there, why dictionaries are important, significant, or lucrative to know about English language. See, first up, English is not our mother tongue, right? We must know the uses of English. Without the knowledge of dictionary, one cannot learn English because English is our national foreign language. English is our national foreign language. National foreign language. Foreign language. This is very important line here. Why English is our national foreign language, and we must use the dictionaries, not only one dictionaries. If we use one dictionary, then our knowledge will be like this. Because a native speaker is the Wikipedia, or you can say encyclopedia of the respective language. Whatever you have learned the language from your mother, let it be English, French, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Chinese, Arabic, Russian, whatever the language on this planet, if you use it as a foreign language, then your knowledge will be like this. If you just a dot without dictionaries. So dictionaries are extremely important for us. So we should keep multiple dictionary with us. And what is the status of English language in India? English is a national foreign language in India. National foreign language in India. This is the status of English language in our constitution, in our law. So we must keep the dictionaries here. Let us suppose dictionaries. First up, we should know the publishers who publish dictionaries. Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, right? Then Cambridge, Cambrid, Cambridge, Advanced Learners. This is Oxford, Cambridge, then Collins, right? Then Macmillan, then Merriam-Webster, that is Merriam-Webster, then Longman. We must keep these dictionaries with us. English to English dictionary, irrespective of our mother tongue. Yes, we do have dictionaries, English to Hindi, English to Urdu, English to Punjabi, English to Marathi, and vice versa. But if we want to go deep into the language, we must keep monolingual dictionaries with you. All these are dictionaries are called monolingual dictionaries. M-O-N-O, monolingual dictionaries. Monolingual dictionary. Monolingual mean English to English, right? As we have Hindi to Hindi, Urdu to Urdu, Marathi to Marathi. We must keep the dictionaries of that respective language, whatever the foreign language we are learning. Let us suppose as we are North Indian, we want to learn Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, then we must keep the dictionaries. First we'll keep the dictionaries English to Kannada, or Kannada to English, Hindi to Kannada, Kannada to English, then English to Kannada, Kannada to English. In this way we can learn the language. But we are talking about here English. We must keep all these dictionaries. Why these dictionaries are mandatory? Number one, see, these are the powerhouse of knowledge. Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, Cambridge Advanced Learner Dictionary, Longman, Collins, right? Then Macmillan, Merriam-Webster, right? These are the powerhouse of knowledge. These are the powerhouse of knowledge. So whatever Oxford has explained, Cambridge will explain it in different words. And it will also give other words which we can enhance our vocabulary. Let us suppose, then come to the Collins Collins have different style, different way, different vocabulary, linguistic horizon to explain. Macmillan has different, Longman has different, Merriam-Webster has. These are the powerhouse of knowledge, and moreover they are monolingual dictionaries, right? Let us suppose somebody has asked us insurance meaning. Insurance meaning. We need to explain this word into English, not in any vernacular language. Let me clear this point to you. Only then we are deep into the language. Let us suppose somebody asks us what is the meaning of church. We will not let them know the meaning in other vernacular language. We must know what is the meaning of church. Church means Lord's home. What is the meaning of Bible? Bible is not a name of a book. No, it's not a name of book. Bible means book. It can be any book because this word has derived from Latin language. Let us take the example of engagement. Engagement is not what is a ceremony. No, engagement, its intellectual meaning is I take pledge. Engagement means I take pledge. So we need to verify the one word from the various dictionaries. So how many dictionaries are there? Number 1, Oxford. Number 2, Cambridge. Number 3, Longman. Number 4, Collins. Number 5, Macmillan. Number 6, Merriam-Webster. So these are the monolingual dictionaries. If we want to learn English, I told you earlier, English is a national foreign language. We need to verify any word from all these respective dictionaries because they have different styles, right? Different styles to explain one word. Let us take the example of this Oxford. I have this 7th edition with me, 7th edition, 8th edition, 9th edition, 10th edition, 9th edition. These 4 editions are with me. Why I kept these editions? But whatever is explained in 7th edition, it is not in 8th edition. Whatever explained in 8th edition, in 9th edition it is not explained. What is 10th edition is explained, it is not explained it will not be explained in the next edition. So every 5 year Oxford changes pattern. Every 5 year. Yeah. Other dictionary also in the process they change because the language changes in the course of time. So we are living in the age of information technology as well as disinformation. So all students, I sincerely request to all students, please do not look into the mobile phone dictionaries. Please don't follow the mobile phone dictionaries, internet dictionaries. Yes, you can surf internet for your knowledge, but if you want to make your English fabulous, you want to learn more, please follow the paper dictionaries. Don't go after the mobile phone dictionary because I told you earlier, you are living in the age of information, that's true. But yes, you are also living in the age of disinformation because you are not mature enough to understand the language of internet, what the internet dictionaries has provided you. So better you guys always follow the paper dictionary. See one more example. In all examinations, mobile phones, pagers, on any electronic device is not permitted, right? Come to the court of law. In the court of law, we cannot take any electronic gadget, let it be mobile phone, pager, or any other gadget. It is not permitted. In the court of law, we need to take books where the judgment has mentioned. Let it be 100-year-old book, 200-year-old book, or current book. We need to carry always book, in book form, in paper form, where evidence is written, where judgment is written, right? So I sincerely advise to all of you, always follow paper dictionaries. Always follow paper dictionaries. These are very important powerhouse of knowledge, right? Oxford, Cambridge, Collins, Macmillan, Longman, Merriam-Webster. These are a very powerhouse of knowledge. Okay, now this is the one topic. Another topic is, this is for word meaning, right? Now see other dictionaries. Now you know the publisher, other varieties of English. Other types of dictionaries are there. Dictionaries of idioms, dictionaries of idioms, dictionaries of idioms. Don't say idioms, it is idioms. Dictionaries of proverbs, dictionaries of proverbs, dictionaries of phrasal verbs, right? Dictionaries of idioms, dictionary of proverbs, dictionary of phrasal verbs. These are very important dictionaries, and above all, dictionary of pronunciation. Dictionary of pronunciation, right? Dictionary of idioms, dictionary of proverbs, dictionary of phrasal verbs, dictionary of pronunciation, where we learn pronunciation. It is very, very important for Indian students. Let it be those who have not mother tongue of English, they must keep this dictionary with it. Do follow this dictionary of pronunciation. It is most important part of our life. For academic life, we should keep this pronunciation dictionaries with us. Dictionary of idioms, dictionary of proverbs, dictionary of phrasal verbs, dictionary of pronunciation. It is very much mandatory for us. Then dictionary of English grammar, dictionary of English grammar, dictionary of English grammar, dictionary of English grammar. It is also very important. Then come here, dictionary of literary terms, LIT, dictionary of literary terms. If we want to know more about literature, we want to simplify the English literary terms, we must keep this dictionary. It is by the John Abraham dictionary, which is very important. I think its publisher is Oxford Dictionary of Literary Terms. Now see how many dictionaries are there. Earlier in my first speech, I discussed about the publishers. Now see dictionary of idioms, dictionary of proverbs, dictionary of phrasal verbs, dictionary of pronunciation, dictionary of English grammar, dictionary of literary terms. See how many types are there. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are these 6 dictionaries. Earlier I told you publisher. Now these 6 dictionaries are there, which are very, very important for us. Though because the English is not our mother tongue, it is our national foreign language. I have seen students do not keep dictionaries with you. You must keep all these dictionaries with you if you want to learn this foreign language. Let us suppose. Then another important thing is language activator, which is also very important. See, these dictionaries are also published by all these publishers, Oxford, then Cambridge, Longman, right? Longman. These are the very important publishers which we should keep our dictionaries with us. This pronunciation dictionary, which is written by Cambridge, which is published by Cambridge by Professor Peter Roach and John Daniel and Professor Peter Roach This dictionary also incorporated by the BBC. We have also a dictionary which is published by BBC Pronunciation Dictionary. I will write this name. But Pronunciation Dictionary should keep all Indian students. I sincerely advise to all of you, always keep these dictionaries. Cambridge Dictionary, it is also by Longman, it is also, I think it is also by Oxford. We must keep all these publishers with us if we want to go deep into the language. Otherwise, language will not come to us because it is English is our stepmother, it's not our mother tongue, right? So these dictionaries are extremely, extremely important for us. This is the reason because English we can learn if we keep the dictionary with us. Paper dictionaries, again I repeat, paper dictionaries. Please don't give this evidence of mobile dictionaries. It is not acceptable. You know that mobile phones are not permitted in the court of law or any examination center. Mobile phones are not permitted. Any kind of electronic gadget, government has become extremely, extremely strict about it. So guys, keep these dictionaries with you. Without it, one cannot learn this language. Number one, right? This is the most important thing which I discussed. Now, come to the other point. Language activator, right? Language activator. The most important language activator, it is also related to English language. The most important language activator is published by Longman Publisher. Longman Publisher, right? Language activator. Its preface is written by Professor Lord. His name is Professor Randolph Quirk. Lord Professor Randolph Quirk. He is no more on this planet. He passed away in 2006. His name is Lord Professor Randolph Quirk. The preface of this language activator is written by Professor Randolph Quirk, and he has written the world's best grammar book, Comprehensive Grammar of English Language. Professor Randolph Quirk, a comprehensive grammar of English language. It is very recent grammar which is being spoken by a native speaker, right? So sir has written this grammar, a comprehensive grammar of English language, which is very recent grammar, which is being spoken by the native speaker in England during these days. So sir passed away, I told you earlier, in 2006. So it is the most significant grammar in the field of English. Students must keep this book with them. Without it, you cannot comprehend what is being spoken by the native speaker. Yes, people keep this dictionary Rand and Martin always. Rand and Martin. But see, this dictionary is for those who are doing specialization on PhD. Those who are doing on PhD, then it is possible on grammar or syntax for them. But those students who are just learners or those who are in school in recent time, they must keep this dictionary, a comprehensive grammar, or Raymond Murphy's grammar. A Raymond Murphy grammar, it was published by Cambridge Publisher, right? Language activator tells us about the uses of words. Language activator, which is published by Longman, tells us about the uses of word, because there is very much. Let us suppose we take the example of beach, seashore, right? Coastline, right? So this is like home, house, right? So these are, it seems to be synonym, right? Another word, famous, then popular, right? We speak these words, but we do not know the uses, how to use these words. But language activator will guide you to the meaning. It will take you to the meaning, how a word is used appropriately, right? What is the difference, divergence here, beach, seashore, coastline, right? House and home, this word pair, house and home, famous and popular. We must know the difference, though there is hairline difference, but we must know the difference. We cannot use these words interchangeably, right? So language activator tells us about the uses of word. Yes, there is only one pitfall is there. Language activators are quite expensive. Yeah. So people usually reluctant to buy all these things, but without them one cannot learn a language. So language activator, other dictionaries which I just mentioned few minutes ago, and this grammar book, which is extremely important for us. Without them, one cannot learn the language because it seems ridiculous without them, because we cannot learn the proper uses. Here, students, I know that people do not know there are also pronunciation dictionaries are there, but there are varieties of pronunciation dictionaries are there, which they also offer now CD-ROM with it. We can put CD in laptop or computer or our personal PCs, which we can listen to multiple times, and we can learn their IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, which is very important for all students to know the exact pronunciation, right? So let us suppose I explain here uses of dictionaries. Here, this word is semi, right? Semi. Some people now people here speak semi, but now its pronunciation is semi. If it is written there semi, semi-final, or semi-sweet, here it is used as a prefix. Semi means this is a uh, Greek language word. Semi mean half, right? But it is also a noun. Yeah, it is also a noun. Semi is also a noun. It is also a prefix, because once you see look into a dictionary immediately tell us what is its grammatical category. We must know a word's grammatical category. We should know the part of speech, this noun, whether it is a noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjunction, blah blah things are there. But if we just know one meaning only, which is used as a prefix, but it is also a noun. It has also plural, semis, like this way. So if we will not check into our dictionaries, respective dictionaries, we can never come to know that, oh my god, this is also has other meanings. So we should know the other meanings. We must keep dictionaries with us, which are very important. Semis also mean apart this home, semi-attached home. It is also articulatory truck, lorry. Thank you for